Python is very concerned with indentation. Hi there, welcome to this lesson. This lesson will be about Python indentation. Most of the programming languages like C, C++, and Java use braces to define a block of code, but Python programming language uses indentation. Let me show you that in a practical example. Here we have a simple example. This is a very simple block of code. At this time, don't focus on what this code does. We will explain everything in detail in this course. But here I want you to focus in the white spaces in this example. You will find that there are no white spaces before the header of the for loop. But the body of the for loop starts with indentation. And the amount of indentation is up to you. But it must be consistent throughout that block. And in this example, if you try to delete the indentation before the print function to print I, you will get indentation error in the output. As you can see, the program gave us indentation error, unexpected indent. And also if you try to delete all the indentations or the white spaces before the lines inside the body of the for loop, you will get indentation error also. Simply, the enforcement of indentation in Python makes the code very clean and also more readable. In general, for white spaces are used for indentation and are preferred over tabs. That's it, simply. If there is anything unclear, please don't hesitate to ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I am here always to help you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.